Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Now here it is given ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle whose center is O. We have to prove that angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOB plus angle COD and angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. That is this angle. Now we have to go for the construction. Join OP, OQ, OR and OS, where P, Q, R and S are the line points of contacts of the tangents AB, BC, CD and DA to the circle. Now these are the 4 line point of contacts P, Q, R and S. Now since tangent segments from external point to a circle are equal, tangent segments from external point to a circle are equal. Therefore, you can see here AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. BP is equal to BQ. CQ is equal to CR. And DR is equal to DS. In triangle OBP and in triangle OBQ means which two triangles? This triangle and OBQ, this triangle. In these two triangles, OP is equal to OQ. You can understand OP is equal to OQ, radii of the same circle. OB is the common side and BP is equal to BQ because tangent segments from external point to a circle are equal. Therefore, triangle OBP is congruent to triangle OBQ. This is the SSS congruence criterion. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, which one is the angle 1? This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 2. Now, in the same way, we can say that this is angle 3 and angle 4 are same. Why? Because here we have taken two triangles, triangle COQ and triangle COR. And similar way we can say that this angle 5 can be equal to angle 6 and also similar way angle 7 can be equal to angle 8. So here we are getting 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 6 and 7 is equal to 8. Now we know that the sum of all the triangle angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 and angle 8, all together they are forming 360 degree. Now you can see that if I write instead of angle 1 and angle 2, instead of angle 2 if I write angle 1, instead of 3 if I write angle 4, instead of 6 I write angle 5 and instead of 7 I write angle 8, then it will take this form. So finally it will look like 2 into 5 plus angle 8, that is equal to 360 degree. Now if I rearrange these angles, it will become angle 1 plus angle 8 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, that is equal to 180 degree. Now look at the picture. Angle 1 plus angle 8, it is angle AOB, and angle 4 plus angle 5, that is angle COD. So I can write them as angle 1 plus angle 8 as angle AOB plus angle COD, that is equal to 180 degree. Proved. Similarly, we can prove that the second part, that is angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree.